So we're going to do question 2.2, which gives us an arithmetic sequence 2k minus 7, k plus 8, and 2k minus 1. So in the sequence, what we'll do first is calculate the 15th term of the sequence as required in question 2.2.1. But before we do that, we need to make sure that our sequence is in numerical form, right? Because right now our sequence has a k in it, a variable. So we first need to solve for k, and then we can have our sequence in numerical form. And how we do that is we know that an arithmetic sequence has a constant difference, meaning that t3 minus t2 should be equal to t2 minus t1. Then we know that that's 2k minus 1 minus k plus 8 should be equal to k plus 8 minus 2k minus 7, right? And then here we'll be left with k minus 9. On this side we'll be left with minus k plus 15. And then if we solve for k, we should have 2k is equal to 24. And then k is equal to 24 over 2, which gives us 12. So now we've solved for k, but then that doesn't solve our question. It just simplifies our numerical sequence. Now our sequence should look like, so the first term should be 2k minus 7. If k is 12, 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, minus 7 is 17. Good Lord. And then k plus 8, k is equal to 12, plus 8, that should give us 20. And then 2k is 2 times 12, which is 24, minus 1, which is 23. So as you can see, the difference between our terms is actually equal to 3. So now let's write down our nth term. Tn here, we know that the general formula is a plus d n minus 1, where a is the first value of the sequence. So in this case, it should be 17. You know that d is equal to the difference between the terms, the constant difference which we said was 3, and then n minus 1. So when we are tasked with calculating a specific term of the sequence, like as in this case t15, we will just simply substitute n into our Tn equation. So here n is equal to 15 minus 1, and then if you use a calculator, I currently don't have a calculator, so I'm calculating these things by head. So what's that? That's 17 plus 14 times 3 should be 28, 38, and then it's 42. 42 plus 17 should be 52, then 59. Okay, cool. So that is 59. That answers the first question.